too.
Cookie can help too?
Yes. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Pick one. Okay. Go down and down and down and down and down and down.
Yeah.
Around. Down, down,
Down, down.
down.
Yeah, she's down.
Huh? Oh, cookie. I got Peter on my hand.
That happens, boy.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
You gonna go? What? What the? How'd you do that, boy?
Yeah.
You're pretty good at that.
Yeah.
How'd you get so good at that? Huh?
Yeah.
How'd you get so good? Hello? How'd you get so good at it?
Down and down and down.
Is that how you said it?
Huh?
Down and down?
And down and down.
Down and down. And down and down. Oh, come on, man. What's going on here, bud? Hey, come on. Ah, man. I don't think that's how it works.
Huh?
That's not how it's supposed to work.
Huh?
That's not how it's supposed to work.
Let's
Huh?
go.
What's going on, Mom?
Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie will get a shot now?
Huh?
Cookie will get a shot?
No.
Are we going to put the top on it?
Huh?
We're going to put this on? Hang on.
Go pet this.
Alright, go.
What's this? This.
What?
What's this?
It's what do you call it?
Huh?
Well, it's I forget what it's called.
Huh?
I don't know.
Tell me. Do a cookie. Eddie. That's go.
Are you in trouble? Did he help? That Play-Doh's a little tougher. Holy God. What's going on up in here? It'll work. Sit down in that chair now.
Bobby.
What? Come on, boy.
No breather. Oh, hey, I got it.
Hey. Get off crawling on the tables.
What could them? They're my mind, Dad.
What?
They're my mind. Huh?
Yes.
Look who I said.
Get off the chair, though.
That's
Hey,
what.
sit on the chair.
Okay.
Sketching me out, man.
We're playing them.
What?
We're playing them.
Let's play them.
Yes.
Let's play them up in the room.
Huh?
Let's go upstairs.
Oh.
You get your bubby.
Down here.
You get your bubby. We'll go upstairs.
Here.
And I'll watch hockey game.
Down here.
Come on. Come on.
Down here.
Janie.
Down here.
Come
Down here.
on, boy.
Down here.
Oilers are coming on.
Huh?
Oilers are coming on.
Ours?
Yeah.
No.
Come on. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. I get your Bobby? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna put this Play-Doh away so it don't get retired.
Huh?
We're gonna put this Play-Doh away so it don't get retired and crusty and has to throw it away.
Uh-huh. Huh? What? What? Dad?
Huh?
What? You Dad?
I'll put it up. Yeah. I'll do it.
Huh?
I did it.
You got foiled Dad? Dad?
Huh?
You got foiled Dad?
Throw it in.
You.
No.
Me.
No.
Edwin.
Who? Catherine? No.
I didn't throw in them.
No.
Okay.
Come on.
No. What heck is?
1 second. Want me to help you?